Anyone who enjoys coffee, tea, or red wine is aware that these enticing beverages can discolor teeth. Many people want to know how to whiten their teeth because they believe that having a brighter smile gives them more confidence. You only need baking soda, commonly known as bicarbonate of soda, which you probably already have in your kitchen or refrigerator, to help whiten your teeth. An easy and efficient home cure for tooth whitening is baking soda. Studies in the Journal of the American Dental Association demonstrated the value of baking soda as a tooth whitening agent and stain removal. How does baking soda whiten your teeth? Because it is a very mild abrasive and helps remove stains from the surface of your teeth, baking soda is effective for teeth whitening. The alkaline and salty properties of baking soda also assist to remove acid-based food stains on teeth, like those from coffee, tea, and red wine. Following is how to whiten your teeth in 5 minutes using baking soda.
Hey everyone, thank you for watching. So today I am going to be showing you how you can naturally whiten your teeth in 5 minutes. And the results are pretty dramatic. I did this and I will show you my before and after. So here's the before picture of my teeth, and yes, they are nasty. I actually didn't realize how badly stained they were until I took this picture, but here's the after, and this is 5 minutes after I did this. No, I did not doctor this photo at all or alter it in any way. And then here is the side-by-side comparison. So as you can see, it does whiten your teeth pretty dramatically in only 5 minutes. So most of these items you might already have in your house. The first thing that you're going to need is a bottle of hydrogen peroxide. You can pick this up at Target or any drugstore for about $2. The next thing is you are just going to need a box of baking soda. You will also need a toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss. So the first thing that you're going to want to do, if you haven't guessed already, is you're just going to want to floss your teeth just to make sure that they're ultra clean and there's nothing stuck in between them. Once you're done flossing, you're going to take your hydrogen peroxide and your toothbrush, take the cap off of it and just pour a tiny bit into the cap. You will also need your baking soda at this time, so just keep that handy. What you're going to do is take your toothbrush and just dip it into the cap full of hydrogen peroxide to soak the bristles. And then you're just going to dab it into the baking soda and just get a little bit on the tip of the toothbrush. Now all we're going to do is brush the baking soda hydrogen peroxide solution onto our teeth. So you're going to want to open your mouth as big as you can, like I have here, and get it right on your teeth. Try to avoid your gums as much as possible and just polish the teeth in the front of your mouth that you want to whiten. Now we're just going to be adding our normal toothpaste to our toothbrush, and you can do a dance if you want to. And we're just going to be brushing our teeth normally like we always would. Now after you spit out your toothpaste and rinse your mouth out, you're going to want to take your hydrogen peroxide again and literally just take a swig of it and swish it around your mouth for about a minute. You want to take a smaller mouthful of this because it is going to foam ridiculously in your mouth. And if you take a bigger swig of this, you're just not going to have the room once it starts foaming to actually swish it around in your mouth like you need to. And then obviously once you're done, go spit it out in the sink. Now, hydrogen peroxide is actually an amazing oral formula that you can use for your mouth on a daily basis, and it's actually going to improve your dental health dramatically. I'm going to put some links below where you can read about it, but most people that I've heard reviews from, they use it every day as a mouthwash, and it just helps to cut down on bacteria. It helps to reduce gingivitis and actually reverse it at the same time. So definitely look into using hydrogen peroxide. It's going to make your teeth whiter every single day that you use it. So it's definitely going to be the #1 thing for your mouth if you want white, sparkling teeth and you want to keep them that way forever. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you very soon, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for more natural health tips. Thank you so much. Have a great day.